1. You cannot link Excel worksheet data to a Word document. Answer, D. 2. To copy cell contents using drag and drop, press the. Answer, C. 3. In a worksheet you can select. Answer, D. 4. Excel worksheet cells work very similarly to what common element of the Windows graphical user interface? Answer, C. 5. Excel files have a default extension of in Excel 2003. Answer, A. 6. To delete an embedded objects, first. Answer, D. 7. Which of the following is not a worksheet design criterion? Answer, C. 8. The numbers in our worksheet look like this 1000, you want them to look like this, $1,000. How can you accomplish this? Answer, C. 9. Which symbol must all formula begin with? Answer, A. 10. When you copy a formula. Answer, B. 11. When you link data maintained in an Excel workbook to a Word document. Answer, B. 12. Which of the following is the latest version of Excel? Answer, C. 13. Data can be arranged in a worksheet in a easy-to-understand manner using. Answer, D. 14. To hold row and column titles in place so that they do not scroll when you scroll a worksheet, click the. Answer, B. 15. Files created with Lotus 1-2-3 have an extension. Answer, C. 16. You can select a single range of cells by. Answer, D. 17. A worksheet range is a. Answer, C. 18. Which of the following is a popular DOS-based spreadsheet package? Answer, D. 19. Which menu option can be used to split windows into two? Answer, B. 20. The autofill feature. Answer, D. 21. You can use the drag and drop method to. Answer, D. 22. How can you delete a record? Answer, B. 23. The auto-calculate feature. Answer, B. 24. The chart wizard term data categories refers to. Answer, B. 25. Status indicators are located on the. Answer, C. 26. You can enter which types of data into worksheet cells? Answer, A. 27. Rounding errors can occur. Answer, A. 28. To copy formatting from one area in a worksheet and apply it to another area you would use. Answer, D. 29. Which of the following is not an example of a value? Answer, D. 30. All worksheet formula. Answer, C. 31. It is acceptable to let long text flow into adjacent cells on a worksheet when. Answer, B. 32. Without using the mouse or the arrow keys, what is the fastest way of getting to cell A1 in a spreadsheet? Answer, A. 33. you can use the Format Painter multiple times before you turn it off by. Answer, B. 34. Tab scrolling button. Answer, D. 35. Which of the following is the oldest spreadsheet package? Answer, A. 36. Which of the following is a correct order of precedence in formula calculation? Answer, D. 37. Which of the following methods cannot be used to edit the contents of a cell? Answer, A. 38. Comments can be added to cells using. Answer, B. 39. To edit in an embedded Excel worksheet object in a Word document. Answer, A. 40. A typical worksheet has number of columns. Answer, D. 41. You want to track the progress of the stock market on a daily basis. Which type of chart should you use? Answer, C. 42. You can use drag and drop to embed Excel worksheet data in a Word document. Answer, A. 43. A worksheet can have a maximum of number of rows. Answer, D. 44. An Excel workbook is a collection of. Answer, D. 45. To create a formula, you can use. Answer, D. 46. The chart wizard term data series refers to. Answer, B. 47. When you want to insert a blank embedded Excel object in a Word document, you can. Answer, A. 48. What symbol is used before a number to make it a label? Answer, D. 49. Excel probably considers the cell entry January 1, 2020 to be a. Answer, B. 50. How many characters can be typed in a single cell in Excel? Answer, C.